In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a radius dimension in AutoCAD. Let's dive into it, focusing on ensuring you can follow along effortlessly. When working in AutoCAD and you attempt to add a dimension to a circular object, you'll notice that by default, it adds the diameter dimension. This built-in default is helpful for many projects where diameter is the critical measurement, but sometimes a radius dimension is more suitable, especially when your design specifications or project requirements call for it. It's an easy adjustment once you know the right command. To switch from diameter to radius, what you'll want to do is utilize the DIMRAD command. This command is specifically designed for creating radius dimensions, which can be very useful for clarity in design documents, where keeping the focus on the radius is essential. So how do we go about using this command? Well, to start, make sure that your AutoCAD workspace is open and you have the circle that you wish to dimension on your screen. Next, move to the command line, an essential tool in AutoCAD that allows us to input exact commands directly. In this case, type DIMRAD. Once you've typed the command, go ahead and press Enter on your keyboard. This action tells AutoCAD that you're ready to select the object to which you want to apply the dimension. Now, with the DIMRAD command activated, click on the circle in question. You'll immediately see the tool prepare to add a radius dimension instead of the diameter. It might seem like a minor change, but specifying a radius dimension in your drafts ensures that everyone viewing the document understands the exact measurement criteria you wish to highlight. This demonstration might be quick, but its impact on your design layout can be significant, especially in fields where precise measurements are critical. Keeping your documentation consistent with the required dimensions avoids misunderstandings and ensures that all collaborators are on the same page. To recap, the next time you need to detail the radius of a circle rather than its diameter, remember to use this simple yet effective command, DIMRAD. It's these small but significant steps that add clarity and precision to your designs. With practice, it'll soon become second nature, leaving you much more time to focus on the other creative aspects of your design projects. And there we have it, folks. A simple way to switch between diameter and radius dimensions in AutoCAD, ensuring your design documents are as precise and informative as possible. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.